And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a banana bread recipe. For this, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of banana extract, which smells so yummy, I'm not even going to lie to y'all, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I just picked this up at Food Lion, and 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 4 eggs, and also this recipe is going to be in the description box down below. Lastly, a 1/2 cup of stevia or your sugar of choice. So now you're just going to add things in slowly. I didn't do it in a specific order. I just did it however I felt like. But with the eggs, you are going to add them in gradually. So I did the cream cheese and then like the vanilla and the banana. And then I would add an egg, stop it, and then mix it some more and add another egg. My little mini muffin pan with some coconut oil, and I think I put way too much coconut oil, but that's okay. And comment down below if you also make a mess when filling up a muffin pan. I am the worst. I think it's because I'm left-handed. Let's just blame it on that. But I stink at filling this up. As you can tell, you'll see I make a complete mess. Once that is complete, you're just going to stick it into the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. The recipe calls for 50 minutes, but mine didn't take that long. So let's make some icing. 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I just use this imitation vanilla flavor, 4 tablespoons of butter. I love this butter, guys. I use it for everything. 6 ounces of cream cheese, and then I just had an extra one, and then I didn't put a picture here, but it's 1/4 cup of stevia or your sugar of choice. Now you're just going to combine everything together, and then voila, you have your cream cheese icing. I just did the fork test. If it comes out clear, that means they are cooked all the way through. So I'm just going through and I'm going to take them out and let them cool. And then voila, there they are. And they are so good, guys. So yummy. And then they came out clear too, so it didn't leave a lot of residue on that. And I had some extra batter, so I'm just going to go in and scoop and bake them. these plain, so I I only dipped a few into the cream cheese frosting. Like you can see, I just dip them in and voila, I don't do anything fancy with it. This recipe is so delicious. I will definitely be making it again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you guys next time.